Fire delivery. In the silence of the halls, where dreams were meant to grow, she carried heavy burdens no one seemed to know. Papers marked in red, her mind screamed I failed, but no one saw the storm beneath her fragile veil. In the classroom shadow, she tied her last fight, left a question for the world in the quiet of the night. Why did we ignore the signs, the whispers in her breath? She hung her hope on pain till she found eternal rest. Let the silence break, let the world see clear. No grave defines your worth, let's send the rain of fear. The classroom's now a shrine, echoes fill the air. A seat that's left unfilled, a story that's unfair. The weight of expectation can crush a young soul, chasing dreams for others, losing all control. Who were we to judge her when she cried out for peace? Who held the pen that signed her silent release? Look deeper, beyond the books, beyond the grades we chase. See the person, not the score, the dreams behind the face. Pressure's a loaded gun, we gotta change the game. Rewrite the rules of love, not live with guilt and shame. Why did we ignore the signs, the whispers in her breath? She hung her hope on pain till she found eternal rest. Let the silence break, let the world see clear. No grade defines your worth, let's send the rain of fear. Now her story lingers, a lesson to ignite the power of compassion, the truth beyond the fight. She's more than just a number, her worth is infinite. Let's build a world of kindness where every voice is lit. Her chapter's not an end, it's a spark to rise above, to choose humanity, to fill this world with love. She hung her hope on pain till she found eternal rest. Let the silence break, let the world see clear. No grade defines your worth, let's send the rain of fear. Let's end the rain of fear. Let the silence break, and the rain of fear.